Hello everyone. Today we're learning how to check if a variable is numeric in JavaScript. We'll use parseFloat and isFinite for this. Let's break it down step by step. We often need to check if the input we receive is numeric. JavaScript allows numbers in string form or as native numbers. This check helps us filter out invalid values. Now let's look at the code. We use parseFloat to convert to a number. If it is not NaN and is finite, we return true. This works on both number types and numeric strings. Let's see how the function works internally. We first pass the value using parseFloat. If it is not NaN and it's finite, the check passes. This simple combo catches both valid numbers and numeric strings. Now, let's look at some examples. Here, we test different values using our function. Notice, numeric strings pass, while the text and empty strings fail. Negative numbers and decimals also work perfectly fine. This makes it great for all kinds of inputs. Numeric checks are critical in web forms and data processing. They prevent invalid values from causing bugs or crashes. This method is simple yet reliable, perfect for any app working with numbers. In summary, we've built a program that uses parseFloat and infinite together. That's how to check if a variable is numeric in JavaScript. It is simple, fast, and super practical. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.